Today I'm going to be cutting out a jigsaw puzzle. It's a dog or a wolf, I guess either one would be appropriate. So go ahead, we'll cut it out here. So the first thing I do is cut out the outline, and then once I get the outline cut out, I'll go ahead and I'll cut the individual pieces for the jigsaw puzzle. Then I'll sand the pieces so they fit together properly, and then I'll glue the board onto a piece of plywood, and then I'll fit the pieces, the individual pieces, right in to the puzzle. Have to do a little sanding on them to make sure they fit right. Make sure there aren't any sharp edges. A lot of really tight turns, or your pieces will fit too tightly together and they won't fall out. And so you try to keep your turns gentle so that the pieces won't bind whenever you have them all fitting together. Okay, so now we have the positive, I guess, if you consider this the positive and this the negative. And here we have a finished one, and you can see how the pieces fit inside, and it's attached to another board on the back to keep the pieces from falling out. So now what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and make some curved cuts. And then we have the pieces that will fit right back into the puzzle that I just cut. And then with a little bit of sanding, like I said, to smooth up the edges and to make sure the pieces don't bind and make sure they fall out. You see how they bind there a little bit? You got to sand them a little bit to make sure they don't do that. Because when a little kid turns the puzzle over, of course he wants the pieces to fall out. So, I mean, if it doesn't work as advertised, what fun is it? So, that's what is involved in making a puzzle.